Today I'm going to share 4 great phrasal verbs about clothes. Put on. This means place clothes on your body. Oh, it's sunny today. I'll put on my glasses. Try on. We use try on when we put on clothes for a short time to see if they look good and if they're the right size. We often try on clothes or shoes in a shop before we buy them. I'm just trying on this hat, but I think it's too small. Our next phrasal verb is take off. This is the opposite of put on. It means remove clothes. Oops, I forgot to take off my hat. And finally, when you take off your clothes, you can hang them up. This means put them on a hook or a hanger. Hang your clothes up. Don't leave them on the floor. One final thing to remember, these phrasal verbs can all be separated. So you can put your clothes on or put on your clothes.